This time on Mad Scientist Garage, I'm building a 92 Pathfinder into a demo car with my buddy from over the pond, Pedalbox show.
We're here from London for a week, and we got roped into all sorts of stuff, and it's awesome.
It's gonna be good. What we've got here is a regulation 92 Pathfinder, aka the Wrathfinder, fresh from, I'm assuming, a trailer park. I don't really know. There's the hate crime that we're calling an interior in here, and we are gonna bust out all the windows, relocate the battery, and I guess chain a boat to it in time for this race in, like, I don't know, 2 days. Should be a good time. This thing's basically already tearing itself apart, so that's probably gonna make this easy. At least we have a whole bunch of donor cars to choose from. We've got purple Cadillac. We're gonna have a very similar window situation in our rig. I think we're gonna get our battery relocation kit and some other items from here. Wow, that is not safe. I guess it'll work. What's the worst that could happen? Apparently we left the toolkit at the house, so while a van goes to get it, we're gonna use the wrong tools to get the right results. Man, this thing is trashed. Probably about the best use of a Cadillac with a North Star I've ever seen. Had the same idea we do, to just kind of chain the stupid boat to the subframe of the car, so guess we're gonna use every part of the Buffalo. I think that's pretty much everything we need to build a race car. There we go. There's a penny wedged in the ground wire. I'm sure that connection was really good. So well, the thing's out. Let's jump it. Move on to the next. All right, time for a we're gonna need a death wheel to get this thing out. It is welded to the floor. Ugh. Well, we can at least steal the seat, I guess, and the harness bar. This is the gift that keeps on giving. Oh, come on, dude. This thing is still drivable. Van, I need you to remember later that you said it only has to make a few laps. Okay.
At the very least 22.
All right. I mean, this seems like it'll be fine. All right. Oh man, this thing is grody. Wow, some of these aren't even tight. That's awesome. Apparently we don't have a screwdriver, so adapt, improvise, overcome. I'm gonna take these screws off, get in here, and we're just gonna use this thing as a new makeshift battery tray of sorts. That looks like it's probably important. Try to fiddle something in here. Maybe drill out that hole and set the battery right on top. Like factory. I'm going to leave the plastic on because I'm pretty sure that's the ECU.
That is in fact the ECU.
So we're gonna put a battery on top of it. That seems like the safest way. It'll be protected.
Yeah.
Or have acid on it. One of the two.
Yeah, by the time that's in and clamped down, that should hold in there well enough.
Cool.
It will hold in there well enough for tech inspection. Whether it survives the race is a completely different matter, but...
How do you feel about breaking some glass?
Yeah.
Because I don't think we can get this open without the key. So I think we have to break it. Shouldn't fail. Beautiful.
I think you need to do it with the door closed.
No, this is way funnier. Hit it with your purse. Yeah! Make it so. I think it'll start. Oh, that's sharp. Don't touch that. Put it in the put the keys in the on position, maybe.
You rolling, Yolanda?
Yep, rolling.
Oh, that's what the start switch is for.
Wipers work.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Just priming.
Oh yeah. Runs mint.
So there's no count of the murder, huh?
Wind!
It's got some really nice lifter tick.
It's just what you want.
Yeah.
It's like it's just knackered enough.
Yeah. I don't feel bad about putting this thing down at all.
Well, she definitely idles. How's the rich supposed to cut it?
This seems like I'm 100% gonna cut my ass. Like, nah. Just gonna send it.
Dude, the wing mirrors work really well for this.
Yeah? Oh, I actually have some gloves if you're gonna ride with me, you lunatic.
Safety first, man.
You really might want to buckle up.
Safety first.
Is that the rule now?
Nah, safety's like third.
I genuinely might roll this thing.
Give your arms arms inside the vehicle at all times.
Yep. Oh good, it's going. Okay. Oh yeah. Brakes work. We should probably leave.
I was gonna tell you, don't do it over there next to those guys.
Yep. I hear something leaking or scraping. I'm not real sure. Ow.
That sounded so loud.
It's the speedway. No one's gonna suspect a thing.
Move the glass around.
There's head video of that battery literally flopping around the interior.
Alright, go went in right down the left turn. Oh, car. Oh, from inside, it was just like, whoa.
It's gonna be it for me. The Wrathfinder runs, it drives, it's safe-ish. You can watch the rest of the build that's gonna happen tomorrow on Pedalbox Show. Go like, comment, and subscribe on their videos as well. They build some really cool stuff. Catch you later.